Good morning, children. Today we will start our functional English grammar and composition book. We have a text book now, children. Term 1 book which consists of 4 subjects: English, mathematics, EVS and GK. So apart from text book, we have separate English grammar book, children. Okay, in the text book also they have given some grammar points of each and every lesson. Some grammar points from the textbook. Apart from the textbook grammar, we have to read the separate book, children. This is from class 1 to class 5. We have separate grammar book, children. Not only from 5th class, right from class 1 to class 5, children. See what is the book? Functional English Grammar and Composition book, children. Follow? In this book, they have given some chapters. Okay, in this they have given some chapters. Now today we will start first chapter, chapter 1. It is the sentence, children. It is the sentence. Already you got this, what is called sentence, how to write the sentence, what are the types of sentences in 4th class and 3rd class. Okay, children. Once again, we will revise the same chapter. It is the sentence, children. Okay. So today we have to go through this lesson 1 from our English separate grammar book, children, page number 7. Take out everybody your book, children. Grammar book, not test book, children. This is grammar book, separate grammar book. Okay. Now see, I have written here grammar book, the sentence, page number 7 and 8, children. Okay. Now what is called sentence? How to form a sentence? How to make a sentence? See, children, some group of words must arrange in a proper order to get complete sense, children. What is called sense here? Meaning, complete sense of the group of the words. It gives us a full meaning of the sentence. That is called a sentence. Okay, there are some group of words. Isn't it? I, book, you, gave. See, I, book, you, gave. Teacher, here also some group of words are there, no teacher. Is it a sentence? You can ask a question. No, it is not a sentence. Okay, in this, no. There are some group of words are there, but all these group of words are not arranged in a proper order. So we don't get the complete sense of the group of the words, children. Followed everybody? See. Like this, see, I, book, you, gave, ye. There is no meaning in this sentence. So, here also group of words are there. So, how to write this one? See, I gave you a book. See, children, I gave you a book. See, same words, I did not change any words, any set of words. I did not add any extra set of words, the group of words. See, a book, you gave a, but again I rewrote like this. I gave you a book, and I ended this sentence with full stop, children. There are some rules and regulations to form a sentence, children. See your textbook, everybody. I mean grammar book, page number 7. See here, a sentence is a group of words written in proper order. The proper order of the words give us what? Complete sense. Complete sense means complete meaning of the group of the words or set of the words, children. Okay, now next see. One more example I will write, children. See. Am I to going uncle's house? Mine. See. Here also I wrote some group of words, children. See, am I to going uncle's house? Mine. Is it a complete sentence? This sentence will give us full meaning? No. Group of words are there. So how to write, children? See, I am going to my uncle's house. Then I ended this sentence with full stop. Okay, children, see, I am going to my uncle's house. Okay. Now see here, one more example. I'll write on the blackboard. See your textbook. A. the field across the sea. The field across the ran dog. This is our textbook sentence. These two sentences I wrote. I have given separate examples, children. See, this is our textbook sentence. The field across the ran dog. Now, second sentence. The dog. What is the answer of this one? See, group of words are there, but this group of words don't give us full meaning, children. See, how to write this answer? The dog ran across the field. This is correct sentence. The dog ran across the field, children. Okay? Now see, take your textbook, everybody. The first group of words does not make any sense. Which set of words? Words, group of words. The field across the ran dog. First set of words or first group of words don't give us full meaning. But the second group of words makes sense. The dog ran across the field. This is because the words are arranged in a proper order. Why this is wrong sentence, incorrect sentence, and why this is correct sentence and we are putting a tick mark? Why? Same words only, no? Because in this sentence the words were not arranged in a proper order. And here the dog ran across the field. Here in this sentence the words were arranged in a proper order. Follow, children? Okay? Now I am going to explain you about some rules and regulations of the sentence.